How to fix Twitch not sending the verification code on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your verification code delivered so you can log into your account. First, check your email inbox for the verification code from Twitch. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder, as it can sometimes end up there. At this point, if the email address is correct, let me show you the next fix. Open your Android settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Search for Twitch and tap on it to open the app info page. From there, tap on Force Stop and confirm. After that, tap on Storage. Tap on Clear Cache. Then reopen Twitch and try requesting the verification code again. Here's an important note. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Twitch account, make sure your Authenticator app is set up correctly. Finally, if none of these fixes work, open Chrome, go to twitch.tv and tap on Trouble Logging In. Follow the account recovery steps to regain access or contact Twitch support directly for further assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix Twitch not sending the verification code, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.